Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at charter communications, and I'm tracking this very long wave 1 to the upside on this chart, and it's been over 11 years of uptrend in this wave 1, and we have finally started the wave 2 in the end. And it is possible to count this structure in very many different ways, but I see it as an impulse. The structure within it, how the 5 waves are really counted, doesn't really matter at the moment. We have our wave 1, we have our wave 2 support zone, and we have already reached it. It is possible that this wave 2 is complete and that we are going directly higher. Now the structure here from this local bottom at the 38.2% retracement area doesn't look like the most bullish structure. It actually looks more like we are heading directly lower here, but overall I am thinking that it is possible, as long as we stay below this level at around $438, it is possible that we go directly lower. But if we break this level here, this dotted or dashed line, it is very likely that we are moving higher directly and either forming a larger A, B, C, or that we go directly into the third wave to new all-time highs. Now, I quite prefer, especially based on this structure, that we do head lower, even if that means a larger A, B, C, and then we would have a larger A, B, C correction. But my preference is still lower overall. Now there is also some debate to be had about where the A wave bottomed, and it could be that it bottomed here as it is drawn on the chart, and then I can easily see this C wave heading towards the 50% retracement area, where we could actually find a bottom. We could build a nice 5-wave move to the downside into a bottom in this area at the 50% retracement at around $164. But there is still the possibility that the A wave bottomed here, we had the B wave top here, and then we already started the C wave, where we completed a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, and now we are in the third wave to the downside, where we would complete a third, a fourth, and a fifth to actually complete the C wave. Now the extension would say in this case that 100% extension, the ideal extension level for a wave C, would also be around the 50% retracement area. In this case it is $166.67, but the proportions suggest that we may actually go much lower, because if this is a wave 1, I would have a wave 2 up here, and I would now be looking for a third wave. Well, a third wave, and let me remove this extension not to get confused, a third wave would ideally get itself alone to the $175 level. That would be the ideal target for a third wave. But then we would still expect, after this third wave to the downside, a fourth and a fifth, and then we may even break the 50% retracement. So don't focus too much on that at the moment. If we go lower, entering the support zone here, and especially even reaching the 50% retracement area, provides a great opportunity for an entry. But there is risk, and I will also provide a resistance area in case we actually are in a larger ABC, and we did even react to the 50% retracement level here. Well, we didn't actually quite reach it, but the idea is, if we break above the 78.6% retracement here at $632, the likelihood that we do go directly higher increases. But overall, the structure suggests this as a diagonal pattern at best. This does not look like a 5-wave move to me, and I would prefer lower, whether that is directly or not. So These are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover. I will continue to keep you updated on this chart and the others that I cover, and I hope you have a nice day and to see you in the next video. Bye bye.